Hello. You don't feel cool, Aditi? Okay. Yeah.
But that's my thinking about. I don't know why.
This is still snowing. It's blizzard.
Watch out.
Look, Aditi doing what there?
Huh?
Aditi, look.
I feel like a crane. It's like a solid ball. Uh-oh. That's some snow. I found you. Looks like powdered sugar, right?
Yeah.
Looks like powdered sugar.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Oh yeah, I got it. I got it. Jiggly eye.
Gonna make it winky now. Gonna make us something to eat.
Yeah.
Let's tap your pocket. Let's tap your pocket. No. And then that's probably your pocket. You shouldn't dig into people's pockets like that. Follow the footsteps.
Let's go then. Look at this tree, so beautiful. Let's go. It's so muddy. This side. Yeah.
Keep calling them out. I'll tell you.
Look at this. Full of snow, powdered sugar. It's a hat or bucket. Go, let's go. Drama.
What? Stop. Get up.
What happened to Kaka, Aditi? She got warm in her. That's why like that. Let's go, Aditi. Leave her. Let's leave her alone. What happened to Kaka? See, look at her. She's confused. What happened to you?
Nail there, guys. Extra snowy. So dizzy. I feel so low.
Look at the snow.
I feel so low. Why do I feel so short?
Here on this door.
Why?
Look there. See?
Yo.
Oh my god, the balcony is full.
It's not even cold out here. Yo.
Look.
My bike. How is it not
It's still
cold?
snowing.
It's not even cold.
It
Should we go
will-
out?
No, no, no. It will be cool. Come on, close it. The snow coming inside. See, it's until here. Almost come inside the house. Ah, come on, small. Look at it, his cap. You wanna come inside? Come on, Aditi, it's school. Come on, it's school. Come inside. Go inside. Go inside or outside.